Good morning, students. Today we are going to do page number 33 of workbook. We are going to do English workbook page number 33 using grammar part. A is complete the paragraph using the simple present tense form of the verb in the brackets. So we have to fill all the fill in the blanks using only simple present tense. Remember, in simple present tense we use first form of verb. We use only first form of verb. Okay, now let us start. My name dash, in bracket there is given B. My name dash Payal and my best friend's name dash Kirti. So B is given. So if we will see the form of is, first form, second form, third form. Is the first form, second form of is B. So here B is given. You can see B is given. So simple present tense, so it means in simple present tense we have to use first form. So first form is second form is given B. So we will write is. See, my name is Payal and my best friend's name is Kirti. Next, my best friend and I dash B. Again there is a B given. So as you know that B is the second form of verb is given. So simple present tense we have to use only first form, but here more than two persons are given, my best friend and I. So means दो बंदियां तो ज़्यादा दी गल हो रही है, एक तो ज़्यादा दी गल हो रही है. So it means what we will use, we will not use is, we will use third form are. My best friend and I are very different. When she dash up, she dash to be a magician. So what to do? Again grow is given, so we will use first form of grow. So as you can see, first form grow, grew, grown. So first form of verb, first form of grow, we will use grow. But remember, it is personal pronoun. She is personal pronoun. You can see here personal pronoun is given. What are personal pronoun? He, she, it are personal pronoun. जिथे भी ही शी इट आऊगा उत्थे फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब तो आएगी, बट उन्हां दे नाल एस लग जाता है. यू कैन सी शी ग्रोज अप. सो इत्थे फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ग्रो दी की है ग्रो. सो वी हैव यूज्ड एस क्योंकि शी पर्सनल प्रोनाउन गिवन सी तां करके. शी वॉन्ट, अगेन शी इज़ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. सो आपां की करना है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब की है वॉन्ट दी, वॉन्ट, बट उहदे नाल एस ऐड करना है. टू बी ए मैजिशियन, when I leave school I dare to become an astronaut. So want first form want. I is not personal pronoun. What are personal pronoun? Personal pronoun only he, she and it. So I dash all my money on science kits. Spend first form is spend. Spend first form is only spend. So we will use spend. Next, I dash science project and she dash new tricks. So what is first form of make? That is make. So we will use only first form of verb, that is make. I make science project and she. Now she is personal pronoun. Learn the first form की है, first form of verb की है learn the, learn, but personal pronoun given है, that's why we have added here s. So now let us come to part B. Fill in the blanks using the simple past form of the verb in the brackets. So now simple past form of verb you have to use. If simple past form you have to fill, then you have to fill only first second form of verb. So let us discuss. We dashed to the beach yesterday. Now let us see. Go. Go is given in the bracket. Go is the first form of verb. Second, went. So in simple past form we have to use only second form of verb. सिर्फ second form of verb तुसी use करनी है. go दी second form केड़ी है? went. here second, she dash down the hill and dash fall over. so run दी second form केड़ी है? run, ran, run. ran is the second form, so you will use ran. fall दी second form केड़ी है? fall, fell, fallen, so you will use fell. second, I dash see her on the swing a minute ago. so see दी second form केड़ी है? see, saw, seen, so you will use saw. now I dash ask him if he could see me. now you can see second form of ask is asked, so you will use here asked. second, have you dash it, so drop the second form केड़ी है? drop, dropped, so you will write here dropped. thank you.